First thing I want to do with this data set, when I know I'm going to find mean, median, mode, is put it in descending order. So the smallest number I see is 71. Next thing I see is 72, and there's 2 of them. Then I see 73, 75, 77, 80, 85, 88, 89, and finally 93. Again, getting them in ascending order doesn't really matter for finding the mean. It's just what I like to do first because I know it's going to be necessary for the median and helpful for the mode. So what I'm going to do now is add everything together. 71 plus 72 plus 72 plus 73 plus 75 plus 77 plus 80 plus 85 plus 88 plus 89 plus 93. When I add everything together, I get a total of 875. So this is going to be 875 divided by the total number of data points, in this case, 11. When I put into my calculator 875 divided by 11, I get an answer of 79.545454, repeating forever. But what it asked me was to round to 3 decimal places. What rounding to 3 decimal places looks like is keeping these 3 digits and looking at the first digit you drop. If this circled first digit that I drop is 5 or larger, I would need to round up. In this case, since it's 4 or smaller, I can just drop it and report my answer as 79.545. If instead of being a 4, this had been a 7, for instance, I need to report my answer as 79.546 because I would have to round up 1 from the 5 to make it a 6. When I go to calculate the median, again, where I begin is with my position formula. So the position should be based on n, which is 11, plus 1 divided by 2. That gives me 12 over 2, or the 6th position. So I count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6th position is 77. That's my median. When I go to find the mode, as I read across, I see 72 occurs twice. That's the only number that repeats. So it's unimodal, and the mode is 72. Last thing here asks me to comment on the skewness by comparing the mean and the median positions. So we know that the mean equals 79.545, which is greater than the median, which equals 77. In general, a skew follows the direction of the mean. So since the mean is larger than the median, I would expect this distribution to have a right skew. If the mean had been less than the median, I would expect a left skew, and if they were approximately equal, I would expect an approximately symmetric distribution.